Welcome back friends, and in this video I'm going to cover a topic related to Bluetooth. If your phone is not able to connect via Bluetooth, it is not recognizing the Bluetooth devices, it is not getting paired with Bluetooth devices, then what you have to do. So this will be valid for all mobiles, but I am showing you in Samsung mobile. So the steps you please note, and you can do in all mobiles, and nearly 100% problems will be solved. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just starting the video, go to the settings and then go to the apps, here apps, and then first thing just tap here and here tap and show system app. Okay, now search for Bluetooth. It has come, just tap it on, and from here just force stop it. Okay, now it is in force stop. Then go to the storage, then clear data and clear cache. You have to do both clear cache and clear data. Okay, so now you have done this thing. Now go permissions and see that it is allowed for all things or not. If it is not allowed, please allow. Here show all permissions. Okay, now it is being showed, you can check it from here. So allow all permissions. If you have done this, go out and just tap pull down and enter the notification panel. Just put your phone into the flight mode and then put it back into the normal mode. Okay, now just go to the setting. The third thing, go to the general management, then go below, go to the reset, and here reset network settings, and here reset settings. Now only the Wi-Fi password will go up after you do this reset procedure. So you have done all the three things. Means first you have gone to the apps, and then Bluetooth, then force stop, clear data, clear cache, permissions you have given. Second thing, you have put the mobile into the flight mode and then back to the normal mode. And third, you have reset the Bluetooth settings. After doing these three things, please switch your mobile off and then again put it on. When it will get on, you will nearly get your problem solved. Try this, try to connect Bluetooth, try to use Bluetooth. It will be solved, I think. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.